Hi everyone, I'm Chris. I live outside of Johnstown, Pennsylvania with my two kids and my husband. Um, Previously, I have worked with individuals with developmental differences as a supports coordinator, so it was my responsibility to help the family find the services that they needed and then monitor those services to make sure that they were fulfilling those needs. I really enjoyed working with the individuals and the families, and I found it very fulfilling. I did that for several years until I had my daughter Emma, and currently I am a stay at home mom. Emma is 11, and my son Isaac is 3. And I've been hanging out with them for the last several years. Going back to school is something I wanted to do for a very long time and have explored it off and on throughout the years, but finally at a place where I have the time and the ability to go ahead and dive in. And so I'm really excited to get started. I'm nervous. It's been a very long time since I've been a student. So it makes me a little bit nervous, but also excited. I'm excited to talk to people about things other than mom things and to just kind of tap back into who I am as a professional and who I am just as a person outside of being just a mom and a wife. And so I'm really looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to meeting new people and to be challenged and to learn from one another. So I'm excited about this class and I'm excited to get to know everybody and I'm looking forward to a good several years together. So